everyone, this is me, Ezhekiel. I am from English class A. So today I'm gonna show you daily activities. I wake up at least 2 or 3 hours before my first class. I have time to properly get ready and prepare for the day with a clear head. For example, if I have a 9 a.m. class, I set my alarm for 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face in the morning. I eat breakfast before heading to college. At the college, I attend meetings with my friends and discuss project, homework. I usually bring my drink from my home. Sometimes I go hang out with my friend to the cinema. At around noon, I take a break for lunch. I usually bring my own lunch from home before go to the next class. Then I leave from college at around 5:30 a.m. When I come back home, I make dinner, which usually consists of some sort of protein with vegetables. After dinner, I do my homework or read a book. Before going to bed, I take a shower and always pray to get ready for sleep.